Hi there, students. A harbinger, a countable noun. A harbinger is a thing or a person that announces or signals that another person is coming or something is going to happen. A forerunner, if you like. Economic depression is often the harbinger of war, an omen, a sign that is going to happen. The daffodil, or better still the crocus, a flower, is a harbinger of spring. It's one of the first flowers to come out, and that tells you that spring is coming. It's like it's announcing spring is coming. They say that the mythical banshee is the harbinger of death. Not so good. A political scandal was the harbinger to a new general election. It was a sign that it was going to happen. The word harbinger is often used in literature or in poetry to tell us what is going to happen next. The wind was the harbinger to the storm. Or very often, drought is a harbinger to famine. So it doesn't rain for a long time, and then people can't grow food, and then you get a famine. So, a harbinger, a person or a thing that foretells, like a portent or an omen, and it foretells us of something that's coming, something that's looming. I think probably more commonly we use harbinger to talk about something negative that's going to happen, but you can use it positively. Now, the origin of this word's quite interesting. A harbinger was, I suppose still is, the person who goes ahead of an army and organises shelter, a place to stay, defence, quarters for the army for that night or for future nights. Let's see, formality. I'd probably give this 7.5 or even 8 in formality. It sounds very literary, yeah, and really quite formal. I think informally, a sign or a signal that something is going to happen. So where does this word come from? Well, in Proto-Germanic, Horjaz was an army, and Burgo, protection. Horjaz, Burgo, harbinger. Yeah, so protection for your army when it arrives at a place, and that's the idea. So a harbinger, a forerunner, a portent, a sign that tells you that something else is going to happen, that somebody else is going to come, that something different is in the offing. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Harbinger.